Hello friends and welcome back to another art and craft video. Today I am going to create these 4 easy bookmarks, and this 5th one has been created by my daughter Aditi, and instead of drawing on the paper she has used printouts and she has cut them to create this bookmark, and actually that one is my favorite one. And the remaining 4 bookmarks have been created by me, and I have used colors and hand-drawn pictures to create these bookmarks. So let us see how we can make them. And I have used recycled paper. So the paper which I have used are those cartons which we get inside bed sheets or shirts. I'm going to use that. You can put a white paper on the back side or you can simply paint it, and I'm going to use the front side for the bookmark. Bookmark number 1. For this, what I have done is I have put some masking tape in a zigzag pattern on the bookmark paper, and I used poster color to fill in the triangles which were formed, but I found that the paper was kind of waxy, so I had to apply a lot of paint. So if your paper is slippery or waxy kind of paper, then it is better that you use some acrylic color, because poster colors don't actually stay on the paper properly. But somehow I managed to paint it. I had to use a little bit more color and I didn't get the pastel shades which I was wanting, but I also loved this look. So once we have colored all the bits, let it dry off and then peel off the tape so that you get these zigzag patterns on the bookmark. Then I drew on the shape of a leaf, but I left the middle area of the tape free for writing something. And once the pencil work was done, I used a permanent marker pen and I drew on top of the pencil to make it a little bit more prominent, and I also made the stem a little bit more thicker. So in this manner you can fill in any pattern that you wish. And I have written love books in the central area. You can write anything that you want to write. Then I went ahead and made the leaves a little bit more prominent by filling in black colors and leaving just the little white areas to show the veins of the leaves, and I repeated that on all the leaves. So after doing this much, let's jump on to the bookmark number 2, which is this very simple bookmark. For this I have used a flat brush and some acrylic colors, and I have drawn some random lines, and once the blue colored lines became a little dry, I used the pink color and made a few more lines. And once these lines are dry, all I did was use the permanent marker, which was black in color, and I drew some random doodles all over on the bookmark, some flowers, leaves, hearts, etc. And you can draw anything that you like. You can draw the sun, the moon, stars, and you can give it any theme, or you can give it a fruit theme if you want. So in this manner I just filled in some random doodles, and that was the way how I created this one. Bookmark number 3 is this very simple panda bookmark. For this, all I did was drew the rough outline of the panda face on one end of the paper, and I took a ruler and I made a line from the neck area of the face downwards to make it a little bit like a panda, and I drew 2 lines and I cut off the extra paper all around, just keeping the panda head and the lower part of the bookmark intact. And after trimming off the excess paper, all you need is some black color and a marker pen to finish off this bookmark. So first I used the marker pen to outline the face of the panda and fill in the black colors in the ears and the eyes. Once the face was done, I drew some diagonal lines and created alternate black pattern on each of those lines. And in this manner, I finished off this bookmark. So this is one of the simplest of the bookmarks. If you don't even know painting too well, you can easily create this bookmark. And the last one, which is the 4th bookmark, is even simpler than the previous one. All you need is an earbud and colors of your choice. Here I have used red and blue colors. For this, dip the earbud in some acrylic color and create some polka dots on the bookmark as shown. And once this is dry, use another color on top of it and make dots as I have done. You can try out various colors combination, or you can create a mixed color bookmark, and then you can write down any quote or anything that you want to write in between. Like here I have written, when bored, read. I wanted to write read books, but since there was a little less space, I just left it at read. Finally, I put a piece of sellotape on top of all the bookmarks so that they last longer, and I created the tassels for the bookmark after punching holes. I added the tassels, which are really simple ones. I have used wool, and in one of them I have used a bead along with the wool, and in this manner I added the tassels on all the bookmarks. And this is how easily you can create these beautiful bookmarks. And when you are bored, this is a really fun activity. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.